Now let's get into membrane replacement. So the system is pre-programmed to alert you at every 500 hours to replace them. What you're going to need is maybe a pair of pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, some food grade silicone, some anti-seize, and of course your Mobil Pro Mini. First step is we're going to make sure that all of our hoses are disconnected as well as our power. We're going to begin with the hose side end plate first. So what I'm doing is removing the wheels. Undo your little wheel lock. Simply slide off your wheels and put these over to the side. Next, we're going to remove the 6 screws from the end plate. Firmly grasp the outer end plate and slowly pull it away. Your first membrane is going to be located in the bottom right side of the end plate. If you can, go ahead and reach with your hand. If you're having difficulty, grab a pair of pliers and don't pull from the center. You're going to want to pull on the black splines here, okay? Before replacing your membrane, check both product end tubes for damage, and then also check your brine seal for any nicks or deformities. If the chevron or brine seal does have any deformities or nicks, please do not use it. This is and only goes in one direction, so again, remember that the seal goes in last. And do not forget to use your food grade silicone, again, lubricating that seal so that it goes in nice and easy. Before reinstalling the end plate, again, either replace or inspect the 3 O-rings in the outer end plate, and if you need to, re-lubricate them. Take your end plate with 2 hands. We've just replaced one membrane, which is on the hose end. We're going to repeat the process on the LCD display side now. First step, remove your screws. Grasp the end plate with 2 hands and gently remove. The membrane is located in the upper left side of the end plate. Again, take a pair of needle nose. Remember not to pull from the product tube, but inside the splines on the end. So we're going to pull the membrane out carefully. Pay attention to how it comes out because the next one will need to go in the same exact way. As you'll notice, the side without the brine seal goes in first. Remember to pay attention to your end ports, making sure those aren't damaged. Check your brine seal for any nicks or deformities. Again, if you do notice any, do not use it. And before inserting all the way, take your lubricant and just lubricate your seal so that it goes in nice and easy. Push the membrane in all the way very carefully until it stops. Inspect, replace, and check your O-ring before putting it back together. In this case, our O-ring is good, so we're just going to add a little bit more silicone to it. Before reinstalling the end plate, there is also a product O-ring located within this metal cylinder. Make sure that is re-lubricated or replaced. And you're going to line this up with the membrane's product tube, as well as centralize the entire outer plate so that it can come closed. Go ahead and put a little anti-seize on your screws. And screw the end plate back together. Now that we've replaced both membranes, we'll need to reset the membrane maintenance hours. To do so, leave your hoses disconnected and have water off. Go ahead and plug in your system to power. We'll first need to unlock the LCD display. To do this, press select and set together for 3 seconds to unlock. Once unlocked, hit select until you get to membrane hours. Press set until you reach reset hours and hold set and select for another 3 seconds until you see saved. And now your membrane hours are now reset.